Hi, I'm Creative Dave. There's this insane myth that if you can't draw and you can't paint, that you're not creative. I teach students and teachers to activate their genius modes through the power of creative thinking. I teach businesses to unleash the genius modes of their employees so they can stay innovative. And when you think about it, when you study innovation industries that rely on continuous innovation and research and development, what you find is that almost all innovations are the result of prior learning from failure. Creative thinking is what will activate your genius mode. So we're talking about 2 or 3 people every 100 years are born geniuses, born with something the rest of us don't have. Everyone else was born with the same ingredients as you. We all have a genius mode. Let's see how to turn it on. And that's the problem when we start comparing ourselves to Picasso and then say we're not creative. So what if we're not Picasso? So what this means then, in terms of psychological safety, is that being afraid to give ideas is actually worse for your creativity than being afraid for your life or the lives of others. You'll get creative when you become good at looking for connections. So that's not the place to get discouraged. That's the place to start looking for connections. When I robbed them of the struggle, I robbed them of their ability to realize that they were stronger than they thought they were. When I rob my students of the opportunity to struggle, I rob them of their ability to realize they can do more than they think. So let's see life's problems as opportunities to invent. After all, if you have 3 colors, if you have 8 notes, if you have earth, air, fire, and water, you can make anything. When you're curious and you make connections, you'll turn on your genius mode.